Hi, I'm Kristen Baraboo, owner of Been Beyond. Today's Inferno exercise is cherry pickers. I personally love cherry pickers. They're a great opportunity to strengthen your abdominal muscles, but at the same time, for those of us with tight hamstrings, you get a really nice stretch in the back of the legs. Cherry pickers fully engage the abdominal wall, toning your abs, and when you reach side to side, reaching your hand towards those opposite pinky toes, you really get into the oblique muscles as well. Cherry pickers also use your upper back muscles, and when you keep your legs straight, quadriceps contracted, you tone the legs while giving the hamstrings a chance to open. Keeping the legs straight can be challenging, but it's paying attention to details like this that make sure you get the most out of your practice. Being precise and keeping good form throughout is key. Let's take a closer look. Cherry pickers. Lie down on the floor, legs straight up, perpendicular. Again, this is an excellent opportunity to open the hamstrings. So straighten your legs as much as possible, contract your quadriceps. Dorsiflexion at both ankles. Pull all 10 toes back towards your face. This will even help to activate the legs more. Interlace your hands behind your head, elbows wide. Chin up away from your chest the whole time to make sure you don't crunch in the neck. Pull your navel in, lower back towards the floor to engage your powerhouse, and lift up in control, reach across your body, engaging the obliques for the opposite toe. Slowly lower down, working the negative, always keeping connected, and then reach across the other way, reach all the way for the pinky toe side of the foot. Now, a couple common mistakes here are first to bend the knees and point the toes, losing all of the connection there. Always keep the legs strong, chin up away from the chest. Avoid rolling up, making this more of a neck up versus getting into those abdominal muscles. Instead, keep your elbows wide so that you can't see them in your vision. Chin up away from the chest and engage from the core. Lift from your center to reach all the way across. Slowly lower down and then in control, reach up and across. This is an excellent exercise in getting into all of your abdominal muscles. Keep these tips in mind next time you make it to your mat, and I hope you'll get more out of your practice with us. See you soon.